Yes, so now welcome to yet another episode of Chat. And as it be now, this one we bring down from the Ogbonge Vikimo Multi Business Limited. Okay, now I be your boy Rex, and I just studio today with my awesome, my peperente. How you doing, baby girl?
Please, I cannot speak pidgin now, cause I'm a Yoruba girl. Can I speak Yoruba?
Why they do like this?
Okay, so please. My name is Tabitha. You guys know now. You know the vibe.
IKTV.
Yes, so today I have a story.
Are you serious?
Honestly, if you know what happened to me last week, I felt like crying.
Tell us, please.
So I've been craving fish and everything. Like I'll call mom say at home, so make she send something to me for Ibadan. Next thing, I could not go because that's my day office now. I cannot leave office and go and be picking something from.
Yeah.
So I called one delivery agency and they should go and please pick it for me and come and deliver it to my office. See, what even vexed me most was the way the guy was talking. I'm like, I don't understand. Like and funny it was even 1K I was going to pay to go and pick something from Iwo Road and bring it to Bodija.
Wow.
Like I was really vexed. The guy was already talking somehow to me that can you come and like others about the and I was like, it's not that hard.
Wow.
It's not that deep.
On top of your own fish,
you can't get there again. You can't talk. Say you never see driver or call the vex for me. They para for me on top phone. I was just like, please just go. So as I was going online and searching for that logistics company I can use and everything, I just stumbled on this DDX.
You're just hearing about DDX?
I'm just hearing about
it.
Like I was already so sad that I said let me even try this for a while. Then I even saw that they were doing AWO for 300 naira, like best. Anywhere in Ibadan 300 naira. I'm like, wow, like 300 naira. Like if I go and pick that thing up myself, I'll never spend 300 naira.
I've never followed up on this. So when did the AWO start?
So I don't know. It's been on for like a week now.
Wow.
I don't know. I found as I called the driver last song, it showed me say that guy an educated guy. Like the guy was, like you get he was so calm, so gentle, and I'm like, whoa, nice. Wow. Then we got there, met the driver, picked up my stuff for me and brought it to the office for me. And I'm like, that was all for just 300 naira.
How long did it take?
This guy don't spend any time. Like I was even surprised because so by the time he got there, he said the driver was about 1 minute or 2 minutes. That as he was getting it out, the driver came and all, and he just picked up the stuff and immediately Kokberara. I was in fact
30 minutes.
It took 30 minutes.
Are you serious?
Now bike now, so traffic no they stop there.
True. Oh, that was little.
Honestly, and then I go.
What's it happen to the other?
See, I didn't want to mention their names, so I'll not spoil them on honestly.
Oh,
but it was irritating. It was one, all those baba that they just feel they should get respect from me and everything.
Each hike.
Anyway, DDX is the way.
DDX is the best, guys. I'm sure you have heard about DDX or you've seen DDX somewhere. Anywhere you are in Ibadan, see, they are doing an AWO right now, and if you've not jumped on it,
300 naira.
You are missing because the AWO is just how much?
300 naira.
Just 300 naira, guys. Just 300 naira. Beg, no dollar. See, avoid all these stories that touch the heart.
Honestly, this is about plenty stories.
But actually, let me just give you a rundown. You can follow them on Instagram at Didi_express_delivery, and the express is I think it's just X.
Yeah, XPRESS.
Yeah. You can also reach them on WhatsApp or call their number with 091-5241-2245. No say I no tell you. No say I no give you giveaway. Now giveaway be this 300 naira anywhere in Ibadan.
I feel like this will deliver me to my house,
Oh, that's true.
Take me to work. Take me back. Like deliver me.
You go call them.
$5.
You go call them, ask them. How far can you deliver human being to their house? Because 300 naira with more user well. Thank you for listening to us today. Sorry, I don't forget in a pigeon. Well done. I don't try with us today. Una do well. And please, don't forget follow us for our various social media platforms on Instagram at VikimoMBL and at VinePayCo. For DDX, now Didi_express_delivery. And on YouTube, we are VinePayCo. Bye guys. Love and light.